Now the next topic is types of chemical reactions. According to the process used in the chemical reaction, we have divided the chemical reactions in four categories. Chemical reaction involve breaking and making of bonds between atoms and produces new substances. Types of reaction are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. First, let me introduce combination reaction. In this reaction, two reactants combine to form a single product. In decomposition reactant, a single product dissociates into two separate reactant products. In single displacement, one element displaces one element from the compound. Double displacement, the two elements exchange their places in two compounds. Now first is combination reaction. It is defined as a reaction in which a single product is formed from two or more reactants. For example, calcium oxide plus water gives slaked lime. CaO plus H2O gives CaOH twice. Here calcium oxide and water are combined to form a single product. Now, how to synthesize a combination reaction? For example, we have two atoms of sodium and two atoms of chlorine. When these are combined, it forms sodium chloride, that is common salt. General form is A plus B gives AB. Now I have told you how to synthesize. In photosynthesis, the synthesis process is done by sunlight and chlorophyll. For industrial purposes, water is prepared by diffusion of hydrogen and oxygen. We write these synthesis processes over these arrows. Formation of salt is through electrolysis. There is a note, you can note it down. Some more example, in daily life we burn things, that is carbon plus oxygen gives CO2. Formation of water, where in the seas H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Here is the flame coloration, burning of natural gas. Methane plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide and 2H2O. Combination reactions are also divided as exothermic reaction. For example, respiration is an exothermic process. We need energy to stay alive. We get this energy from food we eat. During digestion, food is broken down to release energy. For example, rice, potatoes, bread contains carbohydrates. These carbohydrates broke down to form glucose. Glucose combined with oxygen in the cells and provide us energy. The following chemical reaction takes place. Combination reactions are generally exothermic reaction, that is, they give heat or energy. Now the second type of reaction is decomposition reaction. It is defined as a reaction in which a single reactant is broken down to give simpler products. The number of products may be 2 or 3, okay, or more. First example, we see that ferrous sulfate crystals. These are violet crystals. When heated, gives ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. You can see it as breaking of an egg. When an egg breaks, we get white substance and a chiclet. Example of decomposition: hydrogen peroxide, electrolysis of water and nitrogen triiodide. General form is AB gives A plus B. Here you will see that hydrogen peroxide is decomposed using electricity. Similarly, water is decomposed using electricity. Nitrogen triiodide is decomposed using illumination, that is light energy. Hence, we can divide decomposition reactions into 3 categories. Thermal decomposition, for example, calcium carbonate limestone is heated to get quicklime. And lead nitrate is heated to get lead oxide, nitrogen gas and oxygen gas. Second type is electrolytic decomposition, and third type is photolytic decomposition. In first diagram, you see the electrolysis of water. Schematic shows the experimentation. In the second diagram, we see a china dish containing silver chloride, that is AgCl2. In the presence of sunlight, it decomposes into silver atom and chlorine atom. This is the chemical reaction involved. Similarly, decomposition of silver bromide in the presence of sunlight happens in the same way. Now, note down, these 2 above reactions are used in black and white photography. Conclusion is, decomposition required energy in the form of heat, light or electricity. So these are also called endothermic reaction because we are supplying the energy for the chemical reaction to take place. Now assignment: a solution of a substance X is used for whitewashing. Name of the substance and write its formula. Write the reaction of substance named in above with water. Answer is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide forms calcium hydroxide when reacted with water. Question number 2. Now the third topic will be displacement